The chef took a butcher's knife and cut open the plastic wrap that sealed the beauty. Then he carefully lifted it up and threw it into the flour jar. Then he picked up the sleeve and spread the flour evenly on the woman's body. In order to make the meat more tender, the chef kept rubbing it on her body until every inch of her skin. At first, the woman was still enjoying it. She didn't know that she was going to suffer soon. With the chef's extra effort and the 360-degree rotation of the legs, the woman was put on the chopping board. Then put all kinds of vegetables on the woman's body. After the marinade is flavored, put the woman in a 1000-degree oil pan and slowly cook it over low heat. Fortunately, the person who protects her is safe and sound, and even uses red wine as a seasoning. After mixing well with flour, apply it to the woman's nails as a garnish. After everything is ready, first spread sesame oil on her legs, and then cut off the excess hair before it is repaired. Finally, disinfect her tongue with high temperature. Such a delicious dish is served here. The rich people are eager to bring it around and want to take it as their own. They don't know that they have already fallen into the woman's plan. As the woman shook the bell in her hand, the staff tied the rich men in an instant and covered their eyes with glue. What the rich men didn't expect was that the final delicacy was themselves.